Okay, guys, I know basically we have more of newbies into cryptocurrencies now, and we are all aware that the dog airdrop will be coming up on the 26th, which is Monday, and most of you won't be aware of, don't know how to convert your dog airdrop allocations, to USDT or dollar. I'm going to this video is just for you, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, because the next video is also going to this video is all about how you can convert your dog allocations to USDT. But for now, I'll be using a WaxP coin to illustrate this. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, make sure you have Binance app, and make sure it is verified, because that's what I'll be using. So here it is. I'll go to my wallet. You have to go to your wallet. So this is the balance I have on my Binance app. I just deleted it. So what we'll be going to is to how to convert your dollar, your allocations to USDT. So quickly, my coin is at this end section. So you can see the assets I have here. These are the assets I have. So click on the so you need to click on trading, because you how to trade it. If you check out this other section, it has where they call convert. You can also use that section. Convert. You can also convert the funds. If you check here, WaxP, you can convert it to USDT automatically on this place. You can convert it here, but not all of the coins can work in this conversion place. Like dog allocation cannot be, because it is a new coin. So this conversion, you cannot work on this conversion functions, these functionalities. This conversion button, you cannot work here. So what you have to do is you go to, it is already on spot. So you click on sell, because you're trying to sell that your allocation. If you check down here, you see available balance, you see maximum sale, you see estimated fees. There's no, for when selling, there's no fee. So you have to click on here. Now if you see this line here, if you click here, you're about to sell some percentage. If you click the middle, that is 50% of your allocation. So this last one, that's 100%. That's how you do it. Then the next thing you look out is this section there. Change it from limit to market order. If you do any market order, change it to market. You see this other place has changed, so you still go back again and click on maximum. It is then maybe you click sell automatically. Automatically you are sold and you've converted to success. So if you go back to your wallet now, with your wallet, you no longer see, let me refresh, that it has been converted to USDT, no longer WaxP. Cause I know that I got you. Wanting my best, everybody. So that's how you convert your time that I'm out of control. USDT. Stay tuned. Check out the next video where I'm going to show you how to convert this USDT to Naira. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to